Okay, so standard, you are able to recognize that clearly my lowest common multiple denominator is going to be x minus 4 squared, right? Okay, you need this, you want this. So this is the opposite right now. So just a common, one tweak, it will change it already. Which is the idea of factorize out minus 1. So originally it was 4 minus x. If I factorize out minus 1, I am left with x minus 4. So this is equals to this. Look carefully.
How does it flip?
Because with a minus 1, now you imagine expanding it back. Minus 1 times x is negative x, right? Minus 1 times minus 4 is positive 4, exactly. So the pluses become the minus become the plus. And with that, if I factorize out the negative here, it will end up carrying and multiplying to the original negative in front. So therefore, I have this 3 over x minus 4 squared. And with the factorization that I'm showing you here, I'm going to get double negative, which I'm just going to show you here. Okay, one step at a time. Over 1 over x minus 4. Okay with this?
Yeah.
So now, with the double negative, this sort of I can pass it in front.
Will it become a plus?
Exactly, it will. And now it's very clean. I know I can aim for my x minus 4 squared denominator. And I'm just going to multiply x minus 4 to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'll just get the denominator I want. And I'm now just going to fast forward a bit and just combine them already. The denominator will just be x minus 4 squared.
And then
And it's 3 plus.
x minus 4.
Exactly. And I just simplify.
Oh.
Which is x minus 1 over x minus 4 squared. Done.
Oh.